How you doing, folks? Hope you're keeping really well. Carl Anthony here to talk to you once again. I'm getting a few messages in just about our training course with the Institute of Clinical Hypnotherapy in Ireland. Our next full diploma, advanced diploma, is on September 30th. It kicks off. It's a 6-module course. It's one weekend per month, and it's a Saturday and Sunday, and it's GHSC accredited, which is General Hypnotherapy Standards Council in the UK, which is really robust criteria to have that accreditation. So a lot of training out there focuses mainly on the theory aspect of it, which is great and all that. It's great to understand it. But our course is unique in the fact that it's all practical, with maybe 20-25% theory. So we all learn by doing, and reading and all that is fantastic. It gives us information. But until you actually do it and hypnotize somebody and test it and all that, reading doesn't really cut it when you start in a clinic and stuff like that. So anybody out there interested in changing career, or maybe just adding to their part-time career, this is always a great option. There's so many people out there that need your help, and we'd be delighted to hear from you. So you can get in contact with me directly through private message, or you get my number here, 086 89 09 541, or you can send an email to accounts@irishhypnosis. Hope you're all keeping well, enjoying the day. Talk to you soon.